remain. The film, whose dialogue get applaud and do not stop. One man gave divorce as an insult and the other as a gift. One expressed his right by giving divorce and the other gave the feeling of sacrifice by giving divorce. In both cases, it was the woman who was at stake. Two men were deciding the fate together, and that too without her consent, without asking her anything. Who are you to set me free? I am not a note like in your pocket, which you can give away as charity whenever you want. Why is my yes or no necessary to interference in the breaking or not of a marriage which cannot happen without my consent? Sleeping together every night is not called love. There are so many dialogue in the film Nikah that get applause and do not stop. Nikah is a film released on 24 September 1982 and is based on the issue of triple talaq, whose songs are there which you must have heard, but you must not have seen this film till now. पाकिस्तानी गजल सिंगर गुलाम अलीज चुपके रात दिन आंसू बहाना यार है, फजा भी है जवा जवा एंड सलमा आगा सॉन्ग दिल के अरमा आंसुओं में were very popular. All these songs were sung in this film. Hassan Kamal's lyrics, which composed music by Ravi, were also amazing. For example, when he writes that हर एक पलों को ढूंढता हर एक पल निकल गया. You can feel the sadness of the singer. Its writer is Achal Nagar, who used to write stories in the magazine Madhuri, which was published at that time. She used to write something or the other. Writing was her hobby, and she was also in such a profession that when the profession is connected to the heart, then its custom is different. The work that does not seem burdensome, the work in which you can spend hours, that work creates your identity, writes your destiny, with that ink whose impression is indelible. The writer may not have got this much fame from any other of the stories, but it is certain that her heart's dedication has definitely created a story that not only describes the condition of women but also makes a big and important contribution in the power to bring about a social revolution. She herself tells this story that many women said that they are related to her, and this is the story of many middle class women in the Muslim community. Fair security is not available even after marriage. The name of the story written by the writer was Tofa. Achal Nagar says that actually one day I read the news that Sanjay Khan divorced Zinat Aman after marrying her during the shooting of his film Abdullah, but now he wants to marry again by doing the ritual of halala. Just after that, this story was born in my mind. It was published in Madhuri on October 1981. Even before that, I had given the story the form of a play and broadcast it from Akashvani Mathura. When B.R. Chopra came to know about this story during a meeting, he decided to make a film. This film was made by B.R. Chopra, who used to make social films at that time. And one special thing is that at that time people liked to watch stories in which the setting and characters are mainly of Muslim society, Muslim community, like Pakiza, Mere Mehboob, Chaudhary Ka Chand, Laila Majnu, Mehboob Ki Mehdi, Baja. Nikah was also a part of the same Muslim social genre in which the director and writer tried to raise many questions from the woman's point of view. The story of the film is such that the distance between the newly married couple Niloufar, Salma Agha and Wasim Deepak Prasad is constantly increasing. Wasim neither cares for his wife nor for her consent. In anger, he gives triple talaq to his wife. After the divorce, whenever you want. Why is my yes or no necessary to interference in the breaking or not breaking of a marriage, which cannot happen without my consent? One man gave divorce as an insult and another as a gift. One expressed his right by giving divorce, and you want to make her realize your sacrifice by giving divorce. In both cases, it is the woman who is at stake. For a film nikah, writer Aanchal Nagar received the Filmfare Award for the Best Dialogue, and Pakistani origin Salma Agha received the Filmfare Best Singer Award. After the success of Nikah, Salma Agha worked in many Hindi films from 1982 to 1990, such as कसम पैदा करने वाले की, सलमा, पति पत्नी और तवायफ, ऊंचे लोग. But he did not get the success that he had seen in Nikah. When B.R. Chopra